Last time we drew the line, use AI only when you can't write the function. So suppose your problem truly needs a model. The next step is thinking you should build that model yourself from zero.
Let's say nothing exists. No Hugging Face, no downloads. I want to build my own LLM from scratch and prove every weight, every algorithm, every improvement is mine. How would I do it?
Okay, think what that really takes. You'd need mathematicians and statisticians. People who understand grammar, syntax parsing, the nuances of language, getting context out of a sentence. You'd assemble a team and work for maybe 25 years. Then, eventually, you'd have your own model. So here's how I put it to Sumit. You want to sell samosas, so you're going to build a compiler first. You don't go plant the farm to make samosas. You buy the flour. The compiler already exists. Use it. This is how our whole field works. You and I used React every day. We never wrote React. We built on Postgres. We never built a database. Someone opened those up and we added our application on top. The ecosystem empowered us. AI is the same. Take a ready model from the ecosystem, fine tune it on your data, put your value added service on top. Your worth is in the layer you add, not in rebuilding the foundation. The deeper skill is knowing your capabilities and knowing your business capabilities and not walking the wrong path. Invent from zero only if the problem is truly core to you, a real threat to your business. For the school, grass is not core, students are. They'll use what the ecosystem provides. Sumit lives this with his own product, Lex AML. The domain shifts daily. A compliance officer calls, redefines a rule, and he changes the model that evening. While it's maturing, he keeps it solo. That's knowing exactly where your core is and spending yourself only there. But this raises a strange question. Training these models costs billions. So why do the big companies give them away? That's the finale. See you there.